Stop uploading scanned PDFs to Claude. On 180 real invoices, raw PDF upload misread digits and burned tokens. A 3 is an 8 on the total line is not a rounding error, it's a refund. Here's the setup. A small invoicing business hands you 200 scanned PDFs a week. Cashier receipts, supplier invoices, delivery notes, all photographed or scanned, no text layer, just pixels. You drag them into Claude, ask for the total, the tax, the vendor. It works, until it doesn't. On one invoice, the total comes back as 1,382 dinars. The real number is 1,882. An 8 got read as a 3 because the scan was 96 DPI and the digit blurred. Multiply that error rate across 200 invoices a week, and you're issuing refunds for parcel bugs. That's the pain. Now the fix nobody explains. When you upload a PDF directly, Claude decides how to rasterize it. You don't control the resolution. You don't control the color mode. This same pipeline, PDF to image, resolution tuning, Claude Vision, structured JSON output, is what we ship for clients who need scanned documents turned into clean data 24/7.